Hello, today we'll be telling you about my algorithm for the fox, chicken, and grain game. I decided to use an array structure for this program. I couldn't really think of anything that would be better. If I used a tree, I might have had the root node be the river, the left subtree be the left side of the river, and the right subtree the right. But I feel like that would be too much traversing and use too much memory. So I decided to use an array. I allocated 9 spots in this array, told the farmer, the fox, the chicken, and the grain, and then the river would be in position 4, and then the fox and everybody would swap back and forth from across the river. This uses less memory and less space and time because you don't have to traverse a tree and delete or create unwanted nodes. Next, I declare 2 functions and then implement them. A display function which takes in nothing, returns nothing, but uses a for loop to display the current array. A play game function that also takes in nothing, returns nothing, but plays the chicken, fox, and grain game. The function starts by using the display function to show the contents of the array. If the user chooses the farmer, only the farmer moves across. If any of the other items are chosen, the farmer carries them across. If the farmer is on the opposite side of the river from the item that was picked, then it would be an invalid move. I use an array to store the positions of the farmer, fox, chicken, and grain. If they are less than 4, they are on the left side of the river. If they are greater, then they are on the right side. Position 4 holds the straight up and down character, which represents the river in this program. If the move is valid and the user chooses the item or items in the array that are being moved, they will move from 2 specific spots in the array. For example, the farmer swaps from position 0 to 5 on the first call, 5 to 0 on the second. Note that position 4 will not change because it is its river. When the user gets all 4 items from the left side to the right side of the river, he or she wins. But if the user leaves the chicken and the fox unattended on one side, where the farmer's on the other side, the fox eats the chicken and you lose, and the same goes for the chicken and the grain. The main function will start, and it will output the letters and tell you what the array stands for. The letters in it: R for roan, F for fox, C for chicken, G for grain, for example. Then it will declare maybe a play again character to use a while loop, using a while loop to keep playing the game until the user decides to break out of it. After the game is lost, won, quit, or quit out of, the program prompts the user to play again. If the user inputs N, the program breaks out of the loop. If played again, the array is initialized from the beginning of the game, so you aren't playing from the last game's array.